In our fast-paced world, we're constantly connected to screens and schedules. But what if we took time to disconnect and reconnect with what truly matters? Camping with friends or family creates memories that last a lifetime. It's about working together, learning new skills, and appreciating nature's beauty. The simple act of building a fire brings people together like nothing else. These moments of real connection are what nourish our souls. Nature teaches us patience, resilience, and the joy of simple things. Under the stars, we remember how small we are and how vast the world is. We leave only footprints, taking with us renewed energy and deeper bonds. So when was the last time you felt truly connected? Nature is waiting.
In a world that never stops moving, sometimes the greatest adventure is simply escaping the noise. These wheels carry more than just gear. They carry the promise of discovery and peace. Spacious enough for comfort, rugged enough for the wildest places on Earth. When the rain falls, nature reveals its most intimate secrets, and we're invited to witness them. Built to withstand whatever nature throws at it, so you can focus on what matters most. In these moments of quiet, we remember what it means to be truly alive, connected to something greater than ourselves. This is more than camping. This is freedom. This is nature at its most magnificent.
There's something magical about waking up to the sound of nature, surrounded by trees, and the gentle flow of a stream. Camping isn't just about adventure, it's about creating memories with the people who matter most. Every corner of nature holds a new discovery, waiting to be explored by curious minds. As the sun sets, the campsite transforms into a cozy haven where stories are shared and bonds are strengthened. In the quiet of the night, you'll find peace, a reminder that sometimes the best adventures are the ones that bring you closer to nature.
Welcome to the ultimate guide to outdoor camping. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned adventurer, we'll cover everything you need to know for a safe and enjoyable wilderness experience. First, let's talk about preparation. Successful camping starts long before you reach the trailhead. Proper planning ensures you have everything you need while respecting nature's limits. Essential equipment includes a high-quality tent suitable for your climate, a warm sleeping bag rated for the lowest expected temperature, and reliable cooking gear for meal preparation. When setting up camp, choose flat, well-drained ground away from potential hazards. Always secure your tent properly and consider wind direction for optimal comfort. Water safety is critical. Always purify water from natural sources using filtration systems, purification tablets, or by boiling for at least 1 minute at sea level. Store food and scented items properly to avoid wildlife encounters. Use bare canisters or hang food at least 10 feet high and 4 feet from tree trunks. Choose campsites that minimize environmental impact. Look for established sites rather than creating new ones, and always follow the leave no trace principles. Pack smart by keeping frequently used items accessible. Distribute weight evenly with heavier items close to your back for better balance on the trail. Remember, safety first. Check weather forecasts, share your itinerary, and carry emergency supplies. Respect wildlife and keep a safe distance from all animals. With proper preparation and respect for nature, camping becomes an unforgettable experience that connects you with the wilderness. Now go explore and create your own adventures.